Welcome back. I wanted to do a gardening haul, and so I just want to share some of the things that I purchased this weekend when we were at Home Depot. So we purchased the organic citrus tone food, because I did purchase some citrus trees. We have the organic vegetable and tomato, and then blood meal also for vegetables. I did end up getting a 100-foot water hose so that it can extend across our property. I bought those two planters there, which were really nice. They were on sale for $12 each. Got myself a turkey fig. It looks kind of blurry. It's a turkey, there you go, a turkey fig tree. And look, it's already got some little figs. I thought it had a couple of them. Here's another one, and then one is coming in there. So that's really neat. I'm excited about that. I got these planters at Home Depot. I got the brown ones at Walmart, actually. The fig at Home Depot, and the red planters were $2.96 at Home Depot. And then I have a couple of these little zucchini plants that I will be planting today after work. This is a mosquito plant. That's what they call it. I forget what the scientific name is, but it smells very citrusy, very lemony. I just touched it and it makes, it smells wonderful. So I have two of those. And then I got this little plant to attract butterflies. And it says full sun. It's a butterfly weed, actually. I did purchase two pepper plants. And then the reason I purchased these was because they were swarming with bees. There was bees all over them. These are called Pentas. They are annuals. Now there was white, purple, pink, and then this like a reddish color. And I got this one because there were no bees on any of the other ones, but on these, on the red. It's kind of like a pink red. And then lemongrass. I remember my mom used to make lemon tea with lemongrass, and it gets pretty big, so I purchased some lemongrass. I'm going to put in those, actually I'm going to put the lemongrass in those big pots. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm not sure yet. And then I got some seeds. I have several seeds there that I purchased. And then over here, let me walk over here. We also got this tree here that we need to plant. It's a grapefruit. So I'll be planting that. The other planters, we need to do something with those. But anyhow, so I just wanted to share my little haul